दिनेश गोयल जी जो यहाँ अध्यक्ष है, उनको मैं शुक्रिया भी कहूँगा. कैन आई स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, हिंदी मिक्स? ओके. मिस्टर रावत, ओके, रावत जी, सुबोध जी, डॉक्टर नरेंद्र सिंह जी, all other dignitaries on the dais, and all of you here. I don't know where to begin, but I will start with Avasti ji. She mentioned about opening of, she said you did your in 1990s, I think, 80s. I did my engineering in 70s. And situation was same that time. In fact, if the only worry I am worried about is getting my comment wrong. Otherwise, the ladies' hostel was the most. It was like a oasis in a desert. But I can tell you one thing: in Goa, the situation is different. 63% of the graduates and postgraduates are girls, and I am thinking of opening a special boys medical college or boys pharmacy. Once a delegation from pharmacy college came to me first year. They had some problems, 60 of them, and there was only one boy. I said I envy you. So that's kind of situation in Goa, and on merit, not by reservation. So I don't think with the right atmosphere, girls, ladies need a reservation. Only what is required is right atmosphere and mindset. The problem in India, why we are keeping 50% of our population almost suppressed, is out of mindset, and I think we need to change that mindset. Even after becoming engineer, our mindset sometimes remains like that. And I have seen myself, and I have been very vocal advocate. In fact, I get complaints from boys that you are only supporting the girls and ladies. I get reward also. They support me in election in a large number. That apart, I feel that the potential, to what extent they can go, is I'll not even put it at 0.0001%. There are very few areas where there may be some technical problems or there may be some problems of logistic. Otherwise, the two sexes can be together to share and improve the condition of this nation. I'm coming here after almost about 1 month. They were inviting me, but my budget is on 5th and I have to complete it in time. So I requested them to delay it by a week. I was supposed to come on 23rd. The only difference I see is last time I came, the Delhi was enjoying free entertainment. Now it is gone to UP. Now, a lot of people try to poke and they tell me, talk about your simplicity. How do you compare yourself with your counterpart in Delhi? And my problem is, I ask everyone, how does simplicity has anything to do with administration? Simplicity is a strength of character, where if you are simple, you don't waste government money. And I'm proud to say that even today, I put off all the light, air conditioning in my chamber when I walk out of the chamber, because I don't like government machinery, government money or public money to be wasted. Now this is my belief. I picked it up from organization where I started. That is, I started my public service from RSS. So I picked it from there that whatever is public, you have to be more careful. Maybe I will keep lights on in my room, personal room, but I will not allow that to happen. And that has now percolated to all the staff, so that my office is, you will now find no wastage. they all use backside of papers and everything which is available. Resources are used as if it is I think they can come inside and sit if there is a problem. Some people can sit here in the pit. Let some come and sit in the pit. आइए थोड़े लोग पीठ में आके बैठे सामने थोड़े लोग there are steps available. You can occupy the steps. Center steps are there.
सेंटर में चले जाइए बच्चे लोग बाहर जा सकते हैं.
I thank everyone that they remembered me to start their first function today of opening session of Technocrat Cell. I don't know how good engineer I am, but I take pride that I am a engineer, and I firmly believe that for any administrative parameters, engineering student has a better focus and is better equipped to tackle administrative decision, because my engineering has always helped me in the governance of the state. He is better equipped. You can have different kinds of education, but analytical mind probably comes better with an engineer, and therefore an engineer can be better equipped to tackle the administrative situations. But today, when we talk about Technocrat Cell and how should it progress further, I have to basically think about last 10 years. Last 10 years has been nightmare for any engineer or entrepreneur. As a chief minister, I know this. I know this from personal experience. My son did MBA in Texas, came back here and wanted to start, he is in the progress, to start his own dairy and agriculture produce. So he purchased an agriculture land. It's 1.5 years, he is struggling to get all regulatory mechanism approvals just to start his business. He's not been able to actually start it. And industry, the elder son, and this is they don't mix or they don't use my position for getting their work done. But my elder son, engineer, he took almost 2.5 years to start his factory, going through all regulations. Today we have become country of regulations, and industrial growth has been hammered to a level where one of the speakers said we import as a trade balance of 57 billion. I would put it, the correct figure today is $68 billion trade balance surplus with China. And I'll like Technocrat Cell to make it clear to the people why BJP does not support certain aspects. We have been talking about issues, but we have not been able to sometimes express the issues properly to the common man because of certain directions it has taken. I remember the nuclear deal, for example. What has come out of it after 6 years? Has BJP ever exposed this, that after 6 years not a single megawatt power has been generated out of that deal? Have we ever taken it onto ourselves to explain to the people that nuclear energy, though it should be promoted, is not such a big thing that it can really give us energy security, because we have to depend on imported fuel, countries which are very jittery in nature and which can ban fuel anytime. We had that experience when we went for a nuclear explosion. Almost everyone banned supply of high grade technology to us, high level technologies to us. Rocket science had to be developed by our own scientists. It's good that we can develop it. But I'll tell you one thing very clearly. When I had gone to US 2-3 times, I visited, and I used to stay with my son, and he went, he is now back. But he went to his work. I had a lot of time in the morning. So what do? So I told him always you drop me in some mega stores, Walmart or something. And I must have done research on Walmart than even the Walmart themselves. I'll tell you one thing about it. Once I went there, and this experience came to me twice. Once I went to Walmart, I checked it up, and it again came to me. I realized it some other time. I went to Walmart and was trying to find out some product which is with a label made in USA. I'll tell you, virtually nothing was made in USA except some farming equipments. Nothing that I could carry home as a souvenir or for giving it to relations. Nothing was. It was China, Vietnam, Cambodia, Taiwan, even India. In Texas, everywhere I found the gutters, leads are made in India. The lucky part is there are no kabadiwala who picks them up and breaks them and converts them scrap. It remains like that. Here if you put cast iron, it is disappear overnight and you have a hole next day, someone going inside. And then it struck me when a delegation from US had come to Goa. They wanted to call on me. They called on me and I told them after about 1.5 hour interaction, I told them, they told me that we want to give you something. And I immediately made a comment that I will accept it. Only it was from Wyoming state. Only if it is made in USA. They looked at each other and finally came out with their state's flag. Told me this is the only thing we have which is made in USA. I doubt whether the Indian flag is made in India. वो $68 billion में क्या है मालूम है? वो गणपति का मूर्ति भी उधर से आता है. No, we have to be serious. We don't understand how we are killing our skill set, how we are killing a very small businessman who does all these activities. The country needs a policy framework, regulatory framework to ensure that those small pins and other things don't come from China. That junk they dump on us, we have to stop it. स्वदेशी जागरण मंच का लॉजिक बराबर था, लेकिन I think it was considered as derogatory. Walmart single-handedly has destroyed America's manufacturing setup. Single-handedly. It's not Walmart per se. The name is not important. There are giants like that. They go and buy the material from China on a wholesale rate, which is probably not वो अमेरिका में करने के लिए परवड़ेगा नहीं, तो ऑटोमेटिकली वहाँ की फैक्ट्रीज बंद हो गई, सब मेड इन चाइना माल आना चालू हुआ. देयर वाज अ बेनिफिट टू द कंज्यूमर, दे वर गेटिंग स्लाइटली चीपर. दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई भारतीय जनता पार्टी इज ओपोजिंग multinational in retails, because if you want to shut down all our small units everywhere in the country, the best way to do it, get these foreign big Walmarts and mega stores in India. In 5 to 10 years they will all shut down all these small units in India, absolutely out of business. That is why BJP is opposing it. The nuclear deal was opposed because when you want to talk about energy security, you don't allow more than certain percentage of our energy dependent on foreign powers. You have to develop energy security based on your own availability of resources, not based on what is available across. और ये तो चलते रहेगा because regulatory framework ऐसे ऐसे आते गए हैं slowly. I sometimes wonder, there is one judgment by one green tribunal which banned all sand mining. यहाँ तो कुछ हो गया दिल्ली में, कहाँ तो illegal sand mining हो रहा था, IAS officer का तबादला हो गया, something went on. I will not go into that. Issue was regarding Delhi, but they banned across India. अभी एक ही सवाल मैं पूछता हूँ, across India, अरे जरा थोड़ा गड़बड़ थोड़ा कम करो. Across India, Has the construction industry come to halt? If it is not, that means the ban is not working. You don't give judgments which you cannot enforce. You will only create more black marketing, you will create more trouble. And this has been happening in the country because we have go and I give the credit to another IITian for it, Jairam Ramesh, who has been drafting regulatory rules without understanding the implication of it. He was 2 years senior to me. With all his high regards to him, he has been creating systems which may be protecting environment but at a cost of total India's development. I feel that environment should be protected, but there has to be an what is called as a parallel between the two. The pendulum has swung on the other side. कभी कभी ऐसी चीज़ होती है कि एक चीज़ हो गई गलत, वो गलत चीज़ सुधारने के लिए हम लोग दूसरे साइड में जाते हैं और पूरी सिस्टम को ट्रबल कर देते हैं. और ब्यूरोक्रेसी को तो समझता नहीं, ब्यूरोक्रेसी कैसे होती है. मुझे याद है एक बार मैं चीफ मिनिस्टर बना था और एक अराउंड 78 years old पेंशनर केम टू मी, मेरे पास आ गया और बोले मुझे कि हमारा पेंशन रुक गया है. तो मैं पूछा कि why are they fighting in the door? आपका पेंशन रुक गया क्यों? तो मुझे बोले कि there is one rule which I think every pensioner has to follow every year, that February महीने में उसको लाइव सर्टिफिकेट सबमिट करना पड़ता है बैंक में. अभी ये 78 के हो गए, थोड़ी मेमोरी लैप्स बीच बीच में होने लगी, भूल गए. 1 अप्रैल से पेंशन खत्म हो गया because the bank treated him as dead. Now he had to be made alive again. So I talked to the bank, I talked to the accounts department and saw to it that he उसका सर्टिफिकेट लाइफ सर्टिफिकेट मई महीने में दे दे और उसका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दिया. ही वेंट अवे एंड 1 महीने के बाद में वापस आ गए जून के एंड में और मुझे बोले थैंक यू वेरी मच. बोला आने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, आप इतने वयस्क है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक खत लिख देते बहुत होता. नहीं, वो बोला उसके लिए नहीं मैं आया, आपने कर दिया इसके लिए. जनवरी अप्रैल मई का पेंशन मिल गया लेकिन फरवरी मार्च का नहीं मिला. हम बोला क्यों? बोलता है दे आर आस्किंग सर्टिफिकेट दैट यू आर अलाइव इन फ्यूचर. ये हुआ है मेरे साथ. मैं वो डायरेक्टर को फ़ोन करके उसको ऐसा झापा, यार बोला कि पागल है क्या, मई में कोई जिंदा है तो उसको फरवरी का सर्टिफिकेट किधर मांग रहे हैं. मजाक और हंसने के लिए अच्छी चीज़ है, लेकिन आई विल टेल यू व्हाट वाज द रीज़न फॉर इट. द रीज़न इज दे क्लोज द अकाउंट इन मार्च. अगर इनका मई का रिकॉर्ड है तो मार्च के रिकॉर्ड में वो उसका लाइफ सर्टिफिकेट नहीं गया तो ऑडिट वाला बोलेगा कि अरे मार्च और अप्रैल अपना फरवरी और मार्च में जिंदा किधर थे, इसका प्रूफ किधर है, पेमेंट कैसा गया. वो प्रूफ दूसरे फाइल में चला गया अगले बरस का. सो देयर आर डिफिकल्टीज ऑल्सो दे हैव. सो कभी कभी हम कायदे जो बनाते हैं, कायदे कानून, उसका इम्प्लीकेशन हम नहीं देखते हैं और उसका प्रॉब्लम जो बाद में निकलता है वो इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाता है कि आज almost every development activity is facing massive bottleneck in various laws and legal parameters. Everything is in the court. कुछ भी हो गया कोई भी उठ के कोर्ट में जाता है. डेवलपमेंट फैक्ट्री ऐसी नहीं होती है. That's why I was pleasantly happy that 3-4 दिन पहले जब नरेंद्र मोदी ने he had addressed trade cell and industry cell, industrialist, he made it very clear that some rules, outdated rules, laws will have to be cleaned off. I'll tell you one thing, environment के ऊपर एक कोर्ट केस चल रहा है, गोदावरम बोल के उसका नाम है, 1995 का केस है, 472 हियरिंग. I hear that tomorrow is the Monday, sorry, day after tomorrow will be the last hearing. I hope it is last hearing. 1995 से केस चल रहा है. 471 हियरिंग्स इन सुप्रीम कोर्ट. गिव एंड टेक 10. आई माइट हैव मेड काउंटिंग मिस्टेक्स ऑन. एंड कोर्ट में अभी तक 13 और 5 18 बरस होने के बाद में भी जजमेंट नहीं आ रहा है. माइंड यू, वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट you have to keep in mind, that justice delayed is justice denied. This one case must have put so many shackles in the nation's development, and no government acted. Last 10 years government is just going to the court and filing affidavits and coming out. You could have legislated on the matter. An active government can legislate on the matter and finish it off. क्योंकि जब तक लेजिस्लेशन नहीं होगा तब तक मैटर कोर्ट में जा सकता है. लेजिस्लेशन हो गया तो कोर्ट में मैटर केवल इंटरप्रिटेशन के लिए जा सकता है. लेकिन दिस गवर्नमेंट हैज नॉट एक्टेड. इट हैज नॉट एक्टेड, बट इन अदर साइड इट हैज ओपनड अप डोर्स ऑफ imports to such an extent that probably there is a permanent damage on the small scale setups in India. We'll have to reverse it. Technocrat cell needs to reverse this, and I expect them to reverse this again. एक चीज़ ध्यान में रखिए कि कभी कभी रोल ऑफ टेक्नोक्रेट सेल must be to get input from the various engineers, technocrats, and give a proper regulatory solution to the party so that party can execute it. It should be executionable. There is no point in giving solutions which are not executionable. Sometimes indigenous solutions can come. I remember we always think, sometimes we have, as a technocrats, we have egos of our own. We should not have that. कभी कभी मुझे लगता है कि सामान्य किसान ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट होता है. मैं कभी अभी भी सोचता हूँ, जो मैं मेरे माँ के साथ जब छोटा था उस समय उसके साथ बात करता था. शी वॉज नॉट IIT graduate. She was 4th standard. She could hardly write her name. But if you ask me wisdom wise और ज्ञान के पैरामीटर में अगर मैं उसको काउंट करूँ तो मेरे 2 गुना कम से कम उसकी कैपेसिटी थी. उसने जो जो कहा है, अभी भी एट एज ऑफ 57, 58, I still remember them and I put it in use and it has become very effective to me. जो जो कुछ बताया. तो विजडम सामान्य आदमी भी हो सकती है. मुझे याद है एक बार मैं स्टोरी पढ़ी थी. एक गांव में एक बड़ा इंडस्ट्री आने लगा, पेट्रोकेमिकल प्रोजेक्ट, बिग वन. आई विल नॉट टेक नेम ऑफ रिलायंस बिकॉज ले लिया तो कल नरेंद्र भाई के साथ मेरा भी नाम आना चालू. बट एक बड़ी कंपनी पेट्रोकेमिकल प्रोजेक्ट बनाने लगी. एंड यू नो पेट्रोकेमिकल प्रोजेक्ट हैज लॉट मेनी पाइप गोइंग फ्रॉम हियर, सो मेनी कॉम्प्लेक्स थिंग. टेढ़ा मेढ़ा रहता है, पाइप निकल जाता है इधर से उधर. अभी ये पाइप जो बनाते हैं बैंड करके वेल्डिंग करके बाद में चढ़ा देते हैं पीस का पीस. छोटा छोटा हर एक जगह लगा के नहीं बैठते हैं. प्लम्बिंग of petrochemical project is a big pipes connected and you do it on a form on the ground. You put up the form on the ground, pipes के टुकड़े उधर फिट करें और बाद में टैगिंग लगा के बाद में वेल्डिंग करते जाते हैं, so that you get them ready made. अभी एक बार जो प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर था उन्होंने एक कॉम्प्लेक्स पाइप का टेढ़ा मेढ़ा ये कर दिया, वेल्डिंग कर दिया. कुछ करोड़ रुपए की कीमत थी उसकी. फर्स्ट क्लास हो गया. लेकिन आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दे गॉट अ शॉक ऑफ देयर लाइफ दैट दे फॉरगॉट वन मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. वो पाइप में से कॉपर का पाइप अंदर से जाना था. करने की कोशिश की तो अटकता है, बैंड होता है, आगे जाता ही नहीं. इधर से उधर टेढ़ा मेढ़ा पाइप है. हाउ डू यू गेट इट देयर? नाउ जो गांव में चल रहा था वहाँ एक फार्मर ऑलवेज वहाँ से जाता था और उनकी काफ़ी दोस्ती हो गई थी. एक बार वो फार्मर उसी दिन ऑफिस में आ गया, चाय पिया उसके साथ. दे हैव बिकम फ्रेंड बिकॉज इट वाज नॉट अ प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीटेड. एंड ही द फार्मर सॉ दिस मैन वेरी वरीड. यू कैन मेक आउट ऑन द फेस वेदर ही इज वरीड और नॉट. तो उसने पूछा, भाई क्या हो गया, इतने आप चिंताग्रस्त क्यों है? तो उन्होंने बोला, वो आप कुछ कर नहीं सकोगे. लेकिन ही इंसिस्टेड, सो ये एक्सप्लेन, ये मिस्टेक हो गया, इतना टेढ़ा मेढ़ा, अभी वो पाइप काटना पड़ेगा वापस. या फेंकना पड़ेगा और 4-5 करोड़ का लॉस हो जाएगा एंड आई मे लूज माई जॉब बिकॉज ऑफ दैट। फार्मर बोला ठीक है, कल सुबह तक मैं आपको उसका सोल्यूशन देता। ही नेवर बॉदर्ड अबाउट इट, ही थॉट दैट दिस फार्मर इज जस्ट टेलिंग मी फॉर सेक ऑफ इट। नेक्स्ट डे फार्मर मॉर्निंग में उधर आ गए, बोला ये मेरे एक थैला था, ये मेरा सोल्यूशन है आपको। तो थैला खोला, उसमें एक रैट पकड़ा हुआ था, उसको एक उसने डोरी लगाई, डोरी के पीछे कॉपर की वायर लगा दिया और रैट को अंदर छोड़ दिया। वो जैसा भागा वैसी डोरी चली गई। वायर was pulled with that string was carried by the rat on the other side. So don't think that technical solutions always come only to technocrats. They can come to a layman, one who is intelligent, not necessarily highly qualified. Qualification is polishing of a diamond and not the base. Qualification does not convert coal into diamond. You have to be a diamond and qualification only polishes you. The diamond always exists. So ego भी नहीं रहना चाहिए। और मैं I always say ego is the worst enemy. कई बार IITians मुझे आके पूछते हैं कि हम लोग पॉलिटिक्स में कैसे जाएं। I am not able to answer them, but I can definitely answer them now, not the Kejriwal way. When you are in opposition, no, he got the point right. Huh? One thing we have to agree, that Anna Hazare and what Arvind said is a right thing. What he is talking is not wrong. It is right. This nation, the biggest worry today is corruption. इतना घुस गया है अंदर, इतना घुस गया है कि निकालने में तकलीफ हो जाएगी। इतना इजी नहीं है। I am facing it. I am seeing the difference in 10 years. 10 years back, it was much less. In 10 years of Congress regime, the kind of corruption which has penetrated down deep into the society cannot be explained. इतना हो गया. So problem selection was right. That is why people went after him. But केवल वो मैं जो पहले बोला कि सादगी is not the solution. सादगी only improves your character. It strengthens your character. But you need administrative ability to solve the problem. चीफ मिनिस्टर रास्ते पे बैठेंगे तो सोल्यूशन कौन निकालेगा? When you go into administration, you need to fight from inside and get the solution. हमारे कोई दोस्त है, गोवा और दिल्ली की ब्यूरोक्रेसी कॉमन है। परसों मुझे बोल रहे थे AK-49, मैं बोला अरे AK-47 होती है। वो बोला आपकी नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं, दिल्ली की AK। 49 days द गवर्नमेंट जो था वो AK-49 जैसा चला। In bureaucratic circle, that is a code name used. He had an excellent opportunity. As a political setup, I feel that जो हो गया वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए भले के लिए हो गया। लेकिन an experiment failing is also an problem because लोगों का बाद में जो moral होता है वो नीचे जाता है. So when you raise the expectation of people, if you can't complete everything, at least do partial of it. You have to struggle. I still work 17-18 hours a day only because expectation of people cannot be totally allowed to be fallen free and broken. The solution was to run the government and find solutions to the problem, answers to various issues, and they are not so easy. System doesn't change. अरे आप करप्शन हो गए तो क्या इधर लोक अदालत क्या नहीं या लोकपाल जनरल लोकपाल, आपका जनरल लोकपाल है, जनरल लोकपाल लगा दिया, परफेक्ट, इजी द सोल्यूशन. अगर वो करप्ट हो गए तो क्या करेंगे? जनरल लोकपाल लगाएंगे क्या? These are not solution. They are one of the small. How do you tackle the corruption? Not by more laws. It is character which is important. You have to reduce governance first of all, reduce the public and bureaucracy interface, reduce it to the lowest level. Because bureaucracy, and I will even repeating it, I will tell the story which I told last time. Bureaucracy is like a पानी इसमें जो है, अभी इसमें पानी है, वो अगले बॉटल में पानी नहीं है, आपको समझेगा नहीं दोनों के बीच में क्या फ़र्क है. बिकॉज पानी का कलर नहीं होता है, पानी को शेप नहीं होता है. Water doesn't have shape, it takes the shape of the vessel. It doesn't have color, you can see through and you will not realize water is there or not. It doesn't have odor unless it is Yamuna's water. It takes the color of political setup which runs it. If it is a good setup, वो शरबत जैसा मीठा रहेगा. वो अगर गलत सेटअप रहेगा वो कड़वा रहेगा. It will smell. So you don't blame bureaucracy. I remember a story which I tell you, which will exactly explain you how the bureaucratic function. There is a story of a zoo in a village, in a town, where there are two lions. दो शेर थे वो जू में, लोग देखने आते थे. वो जो शेर थे उसमें से एक शेर एक जंगल से पकड़ के लाया हुआ था शेर, और दूसरा शेर वो जू में उसका जन्म हुआ था. He was born and brought up in the zoo. So एक रात वो जू का जो लायंस का कीपर था, जो उसका देखभाल करता था, वो उसको दरवाज़ा लॉक करने में भूल गया. तो ये दोनों शेर बाहर निकल गए, दरवाज़ा खुला है तो बाहर निकल गए. तो बोला चांस मिल गया, अभी भागो. वो जंगल में जो था वो जंगल की तरफ भाग गया. बोला अभी वापस नहीं मिलूंगा, वो जंगल में निकल गया. दूसरा बोला नहीं नहीं नहीं, मुझे मैं जंगल में नहीं आता, मुझे डर लगता है. A wrong environment can even make a lion scared of jungle. Understand that? So right environment रहेगा ही तो शेर जंगल में रह सकता है. Even शेर डर जाता है. He went to the city. 4 दिन में वो जो जंगल में गया था उसको पकड़ के लाया. दूसरा दिन सुबह ध्यान में जब आ गया, फॉरेस्टर भाग गए और पकड़ के लेके आए और उसको डाल दिया. दूसरा मिला नहीं. 1 महीना होगा, 2 महीना, 6-7 महीना, 8वें महीने में उसको पकड़ के लाया. तो फर्स्ट वन was caught from the jungle had a great respect for the second one. 8 महीना आप पकड़े नहीं गए, तो यू मस्ट बी अ बिग शॉट. हाउ डू यू मैनेज दैट? तो वो पूछता है उसको कैसा मैनेज किया. मतलब कुछ नहीं किया, मैं गांव में गया, गांव में शहर में बड़ा एक बिल्डिंग था, उसके ऊपर लिखा था सचिवालय. निकल गया अंदर, 4थे माले पे गया, वहाँ बोर्ड था फाइल्स. वो फाइल्स के पीछे छुप गया. 8 महीने में कोई भी नहीं है. So you now know where your file ultimately land. तो खाता था क्या? फाइल तो नहीं खा सकता, तो हर एक हफ्ते एक गवर्नमेंट सर उनको पकड़ के खाने का. अरे लेकिन किसको खाया तो बोम्बा बन. नहीं, दूसरा कोई उसके जगह साइन मार देता, फर्क नहीं पड़ता था. There was no difference in the office. 30-40 हज़ार लोग थे, उसमें से एक आदमी अगर आए या एक आदमी ना आए फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. तो पकड़ा कैसे गया? एक गलती की. वो गलती क्या हो गई? तो जो चाय वाला छोकरा होता है उसको एक दिन पकड़ा. सुबह की चाय नहीं आई, बोम्बा बोम हो गई. दोपहर की जब नहीं आई तो ढूंढना चालू हो गया. चाय नहीं तो कैसा ऑफिस चल सकता है? How can a government office run without tea? So when they started searching, they caught me. So you understand how the bureaucracy performs. It takes the color ultimately of the government. So if नरेंद्र भाई उधर आ जाएंगे तो यही ब्यूरोक्रेसी उल्टी परफॉर्म करनी चालू हो जाएगी. And I tell you, in Gujarat, the best part is while industry has grown, there is a growth in the industry, and this is, you note it very clearly. There are no serious environment issue in Gujarat. मीन दोनों का समन्वय पकड़ के उन्होंने किया है. और मुझे लगता है आज नेशन नीड्स अ वेरी पॉजिटिव डिसिसिव लीडरशिप. टेक्नोक्रेट सेल का काम चलते रहेगा. आई विल हेल्प यू डेफिनेटली. वी कैन फॉर्मुलेट guidelines for how do we generate entrepreneurship, how do you go forward. It's not easy task, but we'll have to create atmosphere for positive. नहीं तो ब्रेन ड्रेन चलते रहेगा. इतने इंजीनियर्स देश में हैं और ये देश की कैपेसिटी क्या है ये मुझे लगता है किसी को बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं. लेकिन हम लोग छोटे मोटे मूर्ति और वैलेंटाइन डेज का भी गिफ्ट चाइना से इंपोर्ट करेंगे. लेट अस बिल्ड आवर इकोनॉमी, लेट अस बिल्ड आवर स्मॉल स्केल ट्रेड, बट दैट हैज़ टू बी डन बाय फेसिंग द चैलेंज ऑफ द ग्लोबल कंपटीशन. इसके कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन नहीं है, इसमें कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन नहीं है. कई लोगों को लगता है कि इसमें कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन है. कल मैं एक प्रोग्राम में गोवा में था, टाउन हॉल 2, आज मुझे लगता है वो प्ले होने ना. मैं यही सवाल पूछ रहे थे कि ग्लोबल और आपकी रिटेल पॉलिसी चेंज हो गई क्या. Whereas I am ready to face competition on global, my strength of my government जो आने वाली है उसकी जो रहेगी वो हम लोग इक्वल प्लेइंग फील्ड दे देंगे. ये सरकार ने इक्वल प्लेइंग फील्ड नहीं दिया है. When you allow certain, why are you not charging anti-dumping duty on Chinese product? They are dumping it in India. It is not natural. There is a lot of control policies. हम लोगों ने कई जगह एंटी डंपिंग पॉलिसी लानी पड़ेगी क्योंकि एब नॉर्मली लो प्राइस में प्रोडक्ट डंप किया जाता है. एंड द लॉजिक इज वेरी सिंपल. फिनिश इंडियाज इंडस्ट्री एंड देन स्टार्ट चार्जिंग वॉट एवर यू वांट. फिनिश कंपटीशन एंड उसके बाद में ये करो. मुझे लगता है आई हैव said enough. I will love to have some questions from the audience. I will only advise technocrat cell that they should go into all these problems. As of now, the first problem is to get the right mechanism in Delhi to rule. Because if you don't get the mechanism, there is no point in discussing the nitty-gritties of how to work a policy. That exercise comes later. So let us start for taking the issues to the people that decisive काम करने वाली सरकार अगर बैठेगी तो ये सब हो सकता है. Thank you very much. I got about 50. Go ahead. Caro College. You are working with Caro student. Come to me after elections. Any other? First of all, let me be very clear. Your dream, let it remain dream. I am not interested, nor I am disposed to be Prime Minister of the country. The right person at the moment is Mr. Narendra Modi, and I am very clear about it. I thank you for considering me for that post, but there is one principle which I have learned during IIT days, because I had many management subjects I studied, and that is called as Peter's principle. Every person rises to his level of incompetency. So far I have not risen to that level. Don't take me to that level. So you require a different type of temperament for becoming Prime Minister of a country. And I think that temperament is there with Mr. Narendra Modi. When I for the first time, I went slightly off the party line because I go by the party discipline, everything. But in Goa, I saw the opportunity that because of some reasons, the party is hesitating in declaring, though it was inclined to do. I just opened up. क्या होता है वो जब आपको बॉयल आ जाता है तो बड़ा हो गया तो जस्ट पिन लगा देंगे तो pus flows out, something like that. I did that exercise. Beyond that, I think, but three priorities, you can ask that question to me. So I think I'll come some other time. There is one more function which is due, so I will take leave. Thank you very much.